Hey, Leo.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. You know, I really want to speak English better this year.
That's a great goal. Then let's do something fun today. Let's speak only English for one whole day.
Only English? The entire day?
Yep, no Spanish, no excuses, just English.
Hmm, that sounds a little scary.
It might be hard, but that's the best way to improve.
What if I make mistakes?
Make them. Mistakes mean you're learning.
Okay, you're right. Let's do it. English only.
That's the spirit. Let's start right now.
So, what time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:45.
Wow, that's early. What did you do first?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made tea.
Oh, you drink tea in the morning?
Yes, green tea. It helps me feel fresh.
I can't live without coffee.
Can't live without. That's a good phrase. It means you really need something.
Exactly. I can't live without coffee.
Same here sometimes.
You know, I really want to speak English fast, like native speakers.
Fast isn't the goal. Fluency is the goal.
Fluency?
Yes, fluency means you can speak smoothly and naturally, even if it's not fast.
Oh, I see. So it's about flow, not speed.
Exactly. If you forget a word, use another one. That's fluency.
Hmm, that sounds easier. I'll try that.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I slept late. I was watching English videos.
Oh, that's still good practice. But sleep is important for learning too,
Why is that?
because your brain organizes what you learn while you sleep.
So, if I study English before bed, my brain remembers it better?
Exactly. You're giving your brain time to store new words.
That's so cool. I'll try that tonight. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. Simple but tasty.
Oh, I like that too. but sometimes I eat rice and soup.
That's a nice mix. My mom always says breakfast gives you power for the day.
My grandma says the same. She even tries to speak English sometimes.
Really? What does she say?
She says things like, "Good morning, TV," when she watches her shows.
That's so cute. She's practicing in her own way.
So, what's your English goal?
I want to speak naturally, like we're doing now.
That's a good goal.
Sometimes I still translate from Spanish in my head before I speak.
Everyone does that at first, but slowly try to think in English.
That sounds difficult.
Start small. Say things like, it's cold, or I'm hungry directly in English.
That's a good idea. Should I say them out loud?
Yes, even when you're alone. Talking to yourself helps your mouth practice the words.
Won't people think I'm weird?
Maybe, but your English will get amazing.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
I'll have a latte, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Great. That'll be $3.
Here you go.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
You sounded really natural.
Really? I was nervous.
You were great. Remember last time you said, I'm have?
Oh, yeah. That was funny.
But this time, perfect.
Thanks. I think I'm getting better little by little.
Exactly. That's how language learning works.
Sometimes I forget words, though.
That's okay. Just describe what you mean.
Describe?
Yes. Explain using other words. Like if you forget the word umbrella, you can say the thing for rain.
Oh, that's smart. So if I forget refrigerator, I can say the cold box for food?
Exactly. That's how you stay fluent.
I like that trick.
See? You spoke English all day today.
I did. I made mistakes, but I kept going.
That's what fluency really is. Keep going, don't stop.
Thanks, Leo. Speaking English all day was hard, but
fun.
Let's do it again tomorrow.
After some sleep, sure. Hope you enjoyed the new lesson in very slow, clear, and simple English.